Good morning, this is my Shaman Oracle reading for this new week. Today is Monday, January the 22nd, and today I'm reading for Aries, Taurus, Gemini, and Cancer, and this reading here is for Gemini. Welcome, Gemini. I'm using two new decks. One is the Rose Oracle deck, and one is the Good Tarot deck. And I'm using two cards of each deck. And the reading starts with the Rose Oracle deck. Card number 1 for you is We Are Nature. And We Are Nature is about becoming grounded, the embodiment, and living in connection. We have built a world on top of the world. If you look up the word nature in a dictionary, you will see a reverence to plants, animals, and even landscapes as opposed to us humans. We speak of getting into nature or getting grounded as something we need to do. We have forgotten that we do not exist in nature, but instead we are nature. Indigenous earth-based traditions have always seen the plant and the planets and all beings as interconnected and sacred. Humans as one with the earth itself. The earth and Mother Rose are calling us back to the earth, to weave the sacred back in and to weave nature back into the center of our everyday lives. So to see ourselves as nature and to spend more time interacting with the living natural world, returning to nature. This card is an invitation to develop a deeper connection with the earth again, to actively spend time with the physical natural world around you and to tend it and to take your place as a custodian of it, to see the sacred in all of life and to notice the changing seasons around you and within you, and to remember that you too are a part of the earth's ever-changing landscape. To remember that you are nature and that you will always find your true nature in the nature itself. So embrace your body as your home and the planet as your mother. Ask this soul inquiry: how can I connect more deeply with nature and my own true nature? And how can I return more to the earth? The card number 2 that came out for you is the codes of the seeds, or the beautiful topping. And the codes of the seeds is the blueprint within you. So take the next step. The seeds come in and they know exactly what to do. Within them, they hold the potential of entire forests and rose gardens. Seeds have within them an intelligent timing that is connected with the intelligence of the cosmos. We are all seeds, future forests and gardens waiting to be born. We each hold the codes of a new humanity within us. Change is our natural state. Seeds must be buried in the darkness before they can bloom into the light. Seeds cannot even begin to bloom without embracing the fertile void of the winter soil. They cannot flower without outgrowing the constraints of the bud. They cannot bear fruit without releasing their beauty to the earth and letting go of the very thing about them that captivated others. So this card delivers the message that within you, you have all you need to create what you are destined to create, to move through everything that life delivers and to navigate your way through any terrain. The blueprint has always been seeded within you. So trust that you have within you the codes for the most glorious rose garden waiting to bud and bloom. Trust those codes and remember that blueprint. All you need to do now is take the next step, and tomorrow take the next. If you continue taking baby steps each day, on a day not too far from today, you will look back and discover the most breathtaking garden of roses all around you. And then fruit will follow. Today, just take the next step. You know what to do. The blueprint is encoded within you. Ask this soul inquiry: what is my soul calling me to do? And what is one baby step that I can take? And we come now to the good tarot card. And before I start the reading, I like to point out that in the good tarot deck, things have changed a little bit. So are the swords becoming air, the cups becoming water, the pentacles becoming earth, and the wands becoming fire. And the first card for you is the Ace of Fire. And the Ace of Fire relates to spirit-powered action, inspired transformation, and access to co-creative power. Say this: when I feel my connection to spirit, I see unlimited potential for transformation. There is no reason to fear because I am supported fully in imagining something new and daring to make it happen. This is a time to dream big. I can be bold and free because spirit inspires me to turn my dreams into reality. And the card number 2 is the Six of Water. And that card is about nostalgia, sweet memories, old flames, yearning for the security of the good old days. See this? If I am being triggered to remember the past, I can enjoy the warm memories, but must recognize they are gone. Emotions can color my recall and distort my understanding of what is happening today. I acknowledge and heal old wounds. I can experience security today, enveloped in the arms of divine love. There is no need to return to the illusion of a golden era of the past, because I can begin co-creating a better reality right now. Authentic healing and joyfulness will be mine if I stop rekindling the emotions of the past. And the mystical shaman oracle card for you that came out is the wind. And the essence is that the symbol of the wind represents the element of air. It rules communication, thoughts, songs, and inspired ideas. It also signifies change with qualities both positive and negative. The wind blows from each of the four directions, and there are different qualities bestowed by each. So is the south wind carrying a new sense of trust, helping you gently begin to discard habits and parts of you that are no longer needed. So are the west winds calling you to more introspection, to a willingness to make final decisions and to let go of attachments and ego desires. So are the north winds moving to bring you wisdom and strength. And so are the east winds carrying clarity of vision and purpose. Whichever way the wind is blowing for you, the message is which the wind whispers or shouts, and it can be a challenge. It may take courage at first to turn and face the wind, but you will find exaltation in moving toward it and receiving its lessons. There is an invitation here. When the spirit of the wind comes calling, it is a sign of some change. Perhaps you need to change your mind about something, or perhaps an old way of doing things has become automatic, and now that you have gained greater clarity, you can make a new choice. Regardless of what the change is, you can expect to be understood and to have clear communication with others at this time. Ideas are solid, and the shift that is being called for is in the highest good of all. So that was the reading for you, Gemini. I do thank you for listening. I wish you a most gorgeous whole week. Take care and goodbye.